In this video, I'm going to show you how to know if someone blocked you on WhatsApp. The first thing you want to do is you want to check if you can see their last seen or online status. Now, typically, whenever you are talking to someone on WhatsApp and then you go to the top menu, you should notice that it will say their name and then it should say last seen and then it will tell you the time, the last time they were actually on WhatsApp. If you are not able to see that, then that could mean that you have been blocked. However, that's not the only signal. Okay, so the next test you want to do is you actually want to go ahead and send this person a message. So literally just send anything. It could literally just be a dot. And if you only see one gray check mark, that means that they did not receive the message, and that likely means that you have been blocked. So at the moment right over here, we do have two check marks. So that means that this person did not block us. Next up, their profile picture. If you go ahead and press on their profile picture just like so, then you might get a default profile picture. If you're not able to see their real profile picture, then that could also mean that you have been blocked. But alternatively, they could have just used a default profile picture. So this isn't the most reliable method. But if you know that they typically use profile pictures and then all of a sudden they have a default profile picture, that might mean that you have been blocked. And lastly, if you are unable to place a call to them, then that also does mean that you have been blocked. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.